Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file for Homestead Exemption in Texas. This valuable benefit helps homeowners save money on property taxes by reducing the taxable portion of their home's value. It also offers crucial legal protections for your primary residence against certain debts. Understanding this exemption is key to maximizing your savings and securing your home in the Lone Star State. Let's dive into the details of how you can apply. To qualify, you must own and occupy the property as your primary residence as of January 1 of the tax year. You'll need a valid Texas driver's license or state identification card with the address matching your homestead property. The application process is straightforward. Simply complete Form 50-114, the Residence Homestead Exemption application, and submit it to your local county appraisal district. Remember, there is no fee to apply for this exemption. The general deadline to file your Homestead Exemption application is April 30 of the tax year for which you are applying. Filing on time ensures your exemption is processed for the current year. A significant benefit is the $100,000 school tax exemption, meaning your school taxes are calculated on a lower home value. Additionally, many local taxing units offer their own exemptions, which can further reduce your overall property tax burden. Don't miss out on these substantial savings. Beyond the general exemption, special provisions exist. If you are age 65 or older or have a disability, you may qualify for additional school tax exemptions and a tax ceiling. Disabled veterans, depending on their disability rating, can also receive significant or even total property tax exemptions. Always check with your local appraisal district for specific details and to ensure you claim all eligible benefits. For more great deals and product recommendations, including those amazing Darn Tough socks, check the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.